Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode has this cool image right here, and basically what this is a tongue scraper. And this is from the brand called Mastermedi. If you can see, they mention how it's 100% stainless steel in terms of material that they use on here. But if you can see, this is basically what the packaging looks like. Let me actually open up and show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so when we open up, this is basically what the product looks like inside. So it comes with a pack of 2 of these, you can see right here, and it comes with a little case to actually hold it as well, which is pretty nice. But since both of them are the same thing, I'm going to take out one of them to show you guys what it actually looks like. So when you guys open up, this is basically what the product looks like. So you basically want to use this part right here to actually scrape it on your tongue like this. And I'll show you guys how to use it in a second. But definitely really cool how they give you guys this option right here to actually move it back and forth. So that way you guys can kind of angle like how you guys want to scrape it. So for those of you guys who are curious about what are the benefits of using this product, it basically can help you guys remove like bad breath, also help you guys improve like your taste bud and everything when you guys actually clean your tongue. And it also help with like removing odor or bacteria and everything when you guys use this to clean your tongue as well. And they also mention how the product is rust proof, so you don't have to worry about the product rusting anytime soon. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually go set this up and show you guys how to use it first, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here is the product. Let me show you guys how to use it. So first thing I want to do is to actually rinse the product first to make sure it's clean. Alright, so we just finished rinsing it. Let's give it a try and show you guys how it works. And basically when you guys are scraping it, it's definitely scrape a lot of nasty stuff out of your tongue. I'm not sure if it's see or not, but it's pretty disgusting on there. So you basically want to just keep rinsing it and repeat the same step over and over until you don't see any more like the yellow stuff or nasty stuff on your tongue. So that is basically how you use that one right there. The other one that I've been using is this one right here. If you can see, it's a very different design. So instead of using 2 hands to actually use it, this one only requires you guys to use 1 hand. But it's basically the same concept where it's going to go like this. If you can see, it definitely scrapes a lot of the nasty bacteria out from your tongue. But that is basically what it actually looks like for both of these right here in terms of the tongue scraper. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw a quick test of the product, definitely see that it actually does work. It actually works quite well. Super easy to use the product if you can see from the actual video. If I were to compare this to like the other one that I've been using, I feel like this one should give you guys a lot more control and coverage when you guys are using this to clean your tongue. Whereas the other one is only like a 1-hand grip where you guys actually use that to clean it. And I really like the fact that how they provide you guys a little case to actually hold it as well. So that way you guys can actually keep it clean and organized when you guys use it. And obviously if you have to clean the product, it's super easy to clean it. You just basically need to clean it every time before and after you guys use it with like warm water and cold water afterward. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these, especially if you're trying to look for a high quality tongue scraper that comes with a case that you can basically use anywhere, whether you guys want to use at home, in the office, when you guys are traveling. So if you guys are trying to look for a tongue scraper that gives you guys the option to use it basically anywhere, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.